Boating is a big part of our South Florida lifestyle, but do you have a plan for your boat if a hurricane hits? It's important to know a place to store your boat or know how to secure it properly if a storm hits.
Sponsored by Loctite Impact, South Florida's top-rated impact windows, doors, and roofing provider.
Old or leaky roof? Have Loctite Impact replace your old roof now and pay later. 100% financing with 0 down and no payments for 1 year. Plus thousands of 5-star reviews. Visit LoctiteImpact.com or call 954-500-LOCK. That's 954-500-LOCK.